Okay, what do you do if you go to playback and there's a little bit of a lag before it starts playing? It might be your hard drive is falling asleep. So right now I got playback right away, even though I've been waiting for a while. So what we want to do in order to speed up your hard drive or make it not sleep, you're going to do two things. Go into System Settings, go down to Spotlight, search Privacy, select the drive that you do not want Spotlight from searching, so this can speed things up a little. And then if you want to go into Terminal, open up your terminal and put in this command sudo pm set disk sleep 0. So you paste that or type it in, click return, type in your password. So what this does is makes your external drives not to fall asleep. And to reset it, you simply type in the same thing, but instead of 0, put in 10, so it resets to the sleep mode. And you want to do this if your hard drive is always going to be on, then you want to probably have it go to sleep. But if you intend on turning off your hard drive and only using it for editing, then this sudo pm set disk sleep 0 is a good idea. So you can always come back to your clips and they will refresh and play right away. If you're wondering about this, where it says disk sleep should be non-zero whenever system sleep is non-zero, this means if you have your Mac set to automatically sleep, then you should probably not have the sudo pm set disk sleep at 0 and leave the disk on. So in that case, simply turn off your disk if you have the disk sleep to 0, and then manually sleep or shut off your Mac.